Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level without breaking the bank? Whether you're a casual gamer or a budding esports enthusiast, finding the perfect gaming PC can be a daunting task. What if you could get top-notch performance at an affordable price? What if your gaming rig could handle the latest titles without compromising on speed or graphics quality? In today's video, we'll explore 7 of the best budget gaming PCs available right now, ranking them from good to absolutely phenomenal. Stick around to find out which one takes the crown and why. Number 7. NZXT Player 1. The NZXT Player 1 is an entry-level gaming PC designed for those stepping into the world of PC gaming. With an Intel Core i5-13400F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, this system is built to deliver solid 1080p gaming performance. It comes equipped with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 500GB NVMe SSD, ensuring smooth multitasking and quick load times for games and applications. The sleek H6 flow case ensures decent airflow, while the overall build quality reflects NZXT's reputation for clean and organized pre-built systems. In terms of performance, the Player 1 is capable of running popular esports titles like Overwatch and Valorant at over 144 FPS on high settings, making it a great choice for competitive gamers using a 144Hz monitor. It can also handle AAA games like GTA 5 or Starfield at medium to high settings, though it struggles to maintain consistent frame rates at higher resolutions like 1440p or 4K. While the RTX 4060 provides better performance than its predecessor, RTX 3050, it still feels underwhelming for gamers looking to future-proof their setup. A notable advantage of the Player 1 is its upgradability. The spacious case design allows users to upgrade components like the GPU or storage down the line. Additionally, NZXT offers a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind for first-time PC buyers. However, the limited 500GB SSD can fill up quickly with modern games, requiring an upgrade sooner rather than later. Another downside is that the system lacks liquid cooling, which can lead to higher temperatures during extended gaming sessions. Number 6. Acer Predator Orion 5000. The Acer Predator Orion 5000 is a mid-range gaming PC that balances performance and affordability. Powered by an Intel Core i7-14700F processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, this machine is designed to handle both gaming and productivity tasks with ease. It features 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, offering ample memory and storage for multitasking and large game libraries. In terms of gaming performance, the Orion 5000 excels in delivering smooth gameplay at both 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 run beautifully with ray tracing enabled, thanks to the RTX 4070's support for DLSS technology. The system also performs well in esports titles, maintaining high frame rates even during intense matches. The included Predator Sense software allows users to customize RGB lighting and monitor system performance, adding a layer of personalization. However, there are some drawbacks that prevent this PC from ranking higher on our list. The case design, while functional, feels less premium compared to competitors in this price range. The plastic front panel and overly bright interior LEDs may not appeal to everyone's aesthetic preferences. Additionally, while the air cooling system keeps temperatures in check during moderate use, it becomes noticeably loud under heavy loads, a potential annoyance for those who value quiet operation. One of the standout features of the Orion 5000 is its expandability. The toolless chassis makes upgrading components straightforward, ensuring that this PC can grow with your needs over time. At a price point of around $1,499, it offers excellent value for gamers seeking high performance without breaking the bank. Number 5. MSI Infinite RS 13. The MSI Infinite RS 13 is a powerhouse gaming PC that sets itself apart with top-tier components and exceptional build quality. Featuring an Intel Core i9-13900K processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, this system delivers unparalleled performance for gaming enthusiasts and content creators alike. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a massive 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it's built to handle demanding workloads with ease. Performance-wise, the Infinite RS shines in every scenario. It effortlessly runs AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Dirt 5 at max settings in stunning 4K resolution while maintaining smooth frame rates above 100 FPS. The liquid-cooled CPU and GPU ensure that temperatures remain low even during extended gaming sessions, allowing for consistent peak performance without throttling. The advanced cooling system includes multiple radiators and fans arranged in a push-pull configuration for optimal airflow. The design of the Infinite RS is both functional and visually striking. Its premium case features hinged side panels for easy access to components, making upgrades or maintenance hassle-free. The customizable RGB lighting adds flair without being overwhelming, appealing to gamers who want their setup to stand out without sacrificing elegance. That said, this PC does have its limitations, primarily its size and price tag. At over 2 feet tall and nearly as deep, it requires significant desk or floor space, which could be an issue for users with smaller setups. Additionally, with a price starting around $4,599 as configured, it's far from budget-friendly, though its performance justifies the cost for those who can afford it. Number 4. MG1 Silver by MAINGEAR. The MG1 Silver by MAINGEAR is a gaming PC that blends performance, craftsmanship, and aesthetics into one impressive package. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 7600X processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, this machine is designed to handle modern gaming at 1080p and even 1440p resolutions with ease. It comes equipped with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, ensuring fast load times and smooth multitasking. The MG1 Silver is ideal for gamers who want reliable performance without venturing into the ultra-premium price range. One of the standout features of the MG1 Silver is its build quality. MAINGEAR has crafted this PC with attention to detail, using premium materials that give it a sleek and polished look. The silver chassis is minimalist yet elegant, making it a perfect fit for any setup, whether it's a gaming station or a professional workspace. The internal cable management is immaculate, ensuring optimal airflow and a clean aesthetic when viewed through the tempered glass side panel. In terms of gaming performance, the MG1 Silver handles most modern titles like Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and Forza Horizon 5 at high settings without breaking a sweat. The RTX 4060 GPU supports ray tracing and DLSS, enhancing visuals while maintaining smooth frame rates. However, the system does show some limitations when pushed to higher resolutions like 4K or when running graphically demanding games with ray tracing fully enabled. Cooling is another area where the MG1 Silver excels. The system features an efficient air cooling setup that keeps temperatures in check during extended gaming sessions. While not as quiet as liquid-cooled systems, the fans are relatively unobtrusive even under load. The only real downside here is that customization options are somewhat limited compared to other brands in this price range. Number 3. Lenovo Legion Tower 5i Gen 8. The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i Gen 8 gaming desktop is a standout performer in the mid-range gaming PC market. Featuring an Intel Core i7-13700F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, this machine offers exceptional value for gamers looking to enjoy AAA titles at high settings without overspending. It comes with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, providing ample memory and storage for both gaming and productivity tasks. What sets the Legion Tower apart is its user-friendly design. Lenovo has prioritized accessibility with its toolless chassis design, allowing users to easily upgrade components like the GPU or storage without specialized tools. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want the flexibility to enhance their system as their needs evolve over time. Performance-wise, the Legion Tower excels in delivering smooth gameplay at both 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Games like Elden Ring and Hogwarts Legacy run beautifully on this system, with consistent frame rates even on high settings. The RTX 4070 GPU also supports ray tracing and DLSS, enabling stunning visuals without sacrificing performance. Additionally, its thermal management system is highly effective. Strategically placed fans keep temperatures low while maintaining quiet operation. The design of the Legion Tower is understated yet stylish. Its matte black finish with subtle RGB accents gives it a professional look that doesn't scream gaming PC, making it suitable for shared spaces or work environments. However, some users might find its design too plain compared to flashier options on this list. 2. iBUYPOWER Y60 Black Gaming PC. The iBUYPOWER Y60 Black Gaming PC takes second place on our list for good reason. It's a stunning machine that combines cutting-edge hardware with jaw-dropping aesthetics. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU alongside 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a spacious 2TB SSD, this PC is built for serious gamers who demand top-tier performance across all fronts. What immediately catches your attention about this system is its unique case design. The panoramic glass panels provide a full view of the meticulously arranged internal components while showcasing vibrant RGB lighting that can be customized to suit your style. This makes the Y60 not just a gaming PC, but also a centerpiece for any setup. Performance-wise, this machine delivers exceptional results across all resolutions. Whether you're gaming at 1080p or pushing into ultra-detailed 4K territory, the RTX 4080 ensures buttery smooth frame rates even in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Red Dead Redemption 2. The Ryzen processor complements this by handling multitasking with ease, whether you're streaming gameplay or editing videos alongside your gaming sessions. Cooling is another area where the Y60 excels. Its advanced cooling system includes multiple fans and liquid cooling options that keep temperatures low even during marathon gaming sessions. This ensures consistent performance without overheating or throttling issues. The only real downside here is the price tag. This beauty doesn't come cheap. At around $3,500 as configured, it's an investment that might be out of reach for budget-conscious buyers. 1. Corsair ONE i500 Gaming PC. Taking the top spot on our list is none other than the Corsair ONE i500 Gaming PC. A compact yet immensely powerful system designed for enthusiasts who want no compromises in performance or aesthetics. Packed with an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, alongside an astonishing 64GB of DDR5 RAM and up to a massive storage capacity of 4TB, SSD plus HDD combo, this machine redefines what's possible in small form factor PCs. The Corsair ONE excels in every area imaginable. Its ultra-fast load times are made possible by its high-speed storage solutions, while its whisper-quiet operation is achieved through an innovative liquid cooling system that keeps both CPU and GPU temperatures low even under heavy workloads. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings and stunning 4K resolution, or diving into immersive VR experiences like Half-Life Alyx, this PC delivers flawless performance every time. What truly sets the Corsair ONE apart is its compact design. Despite housing some of the most powerful components on the market today, it occupies minimal desk space thanks to its vertical form factor. The premium aluminum chassis not only looks sleek, but also enhances cooling efficiency by directing airflow vertically through the system. While there's little to criticize about this machine from a technical standpoint, its premium price tag makes it less accessible for budget-conscious buyers, starting at over $4,000 depending on configuration. Additionally, due to its compact design, upgrading components can be more challenging compared to traditional tower PCs. That said, if you're willing to invest in one of the most powerful pre-built PCs available today and appreciate space-saving designs, the Corsair ONE i500 Gaming PC is simply unmatched in terms of performance, aesthetics, and engineering excellence. It's truly in a league of its own. Final thought, and there you have it, our picks for the best budget gaming PCs, ranked from good to absolutely phenomenal. Whether you're just starting your gaming journey or upgrading your current setup, there's something here for everyone. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews like this one. Happy gaming!